Now, just a short video. I've got some brass wheel weights for the SCX24 Deadbolt. This was, Derek said he found this was enough weight for it, because again, I don't want to throw too much at it, but I brought these ones. These were painted, so hopefully they fit nicely. And it's finding a spanner small enough for these wheels, because my little well, my wrench set doesn't go this small, but luckily the little Tamiya does. So we pull it. I'm just going to pull it off. It came with pins, but I'm going to see if it works with the standard ones. I'm going to just set it on its side so I can get the pins sort of as central as possible. Well, I don't know whether it's the pin or the paint. Let's have a look. So, yeah, it's going to need the other pins. I don't know if they're smaller or what. They look the same. Let's get some tweezers and test this. Like I said, when you fit these for the first time, what I'm going to do is, before I go too far, see how they fit on the inner rim. Well, they fit in there no trouble. So it's just getting them on. Right, try again. You just got to force them a bit, but they do work with the stock pins. Well, I think they do. This is weird. They don't seem to want to go on. This happens when we gently wind them on. Whether they'll pull in a bit more. I'm definitely having trouble. I've got them on a bit further. They're still loose. No, I don't know. Because I can't see why they wouldn't fit. Because these must be thicker, because I've done them up and I'm just about getting to... No, that's locked the wheel. So these are not fitting well at all. So let's fettle and find out what's the problem. Well, I've put on those wheel weights. The rears are fitted really nice. The front's not so good. I've had to put them on with thread lock, and hopefully we don't lose the little nuts. Yeah, really strange. they're just not as good. I'm going to take it in and test it with the battery now. But it's really, really weird. But now it's ready to go out against the SCX24.